Hi, this is Blake from Master Wholesale. Today we're here to show you how to use Permacolor Select and how to mix it properly using the Permacolor Select jug that we have here in our hand. So one of the things I want to talk about before we get going here is that Permacolor Select comes with a sealer already in it, so once you grout you don't have to come back and do any sealing after the fact. So that means you don't have to come back to the job, which is a big advantage. It also comes in 8-pound unsanded, 12.5 pound regular consistency, which is kind of a sanded texture, and 25 pound. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and move on with using the Permacolor Select jug here to mix up some colorant and mix a parcel batch. Like I said before, you can use this to also mix the proper amounts of water for a 12.5 or a 25 pound bag if we were mixing the whole bag up. So as you can see, we have two marks on the jug, one for 8 pounds and one for 12.5 pounds. We're going to mix up the unsanded today. So we're going to go with just this mark right here with water. So we're going to go ahead and fill the jug up now with it and get going. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take the lid off and fill it up with water to the 8-pound line right here. So we got it right at the 8-pound line. So from there we're going to go ahead and take, you only need one color pack for an 8-pounder, so we're going to take one pack and take it out of the plastic bag. We'll leave it in this bag because that dissolves. We're going to drop it inside and let it sit for a few minutes before we shake it up. Okay, as you can see, the bag is starting to dissolve, so at this point we can go ahead and start shaking it up. You want to make sure your lid's tight so you don't get water all over the place. So you can see it mixes up pretty quick. Okay, so the thing I like to do when I get ready to mix up a small batch is, or any batch of grout for that matter, is I always like to pour the water in, a little water in first. That makes it mix a lot easier. If you put the powder in first then the water, you'll find it a lot more difficult to mix. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of the colored water mixture into there. A little bit too much I got in, so we're going to pour a little bit back out. So we have just a little bit in there because we can always add a little bit more. Always put the lid back on so you don't knock it over. And we're going to go ahead and pour some powder in. And we're going to go ahead and mix it up. A little more water. We're just basically, this would be like if you had a little small repair to do after you did the job and just wanted to come back and fix a few things and not mix up the whole batch. So you want to just mix it until all the lumps are out. It's nice and smooth consistency like we got here. This would be ready to do some grouting. If you're doing a larger batch, you could use a drill and a paddle. So the cool thing is that we can just tighten the lid on this, and it can be stored for months as long as it doesn't freeze. And then when we want to use it again, we just shake it up, and we don't waste all these material when we just need to make a small repair. Okay, that shows you how we can use the Permacolor Select mixing jug to save product and not be wasting a bunch of stuff and just mix up a small batch, or you can use it to accurately measure the water to do full bags or full boxes of grout.